Hello friends, all are doing good? I'm back with another one. Any guesses on which topic I am going to discuss today? Let's start discussion on dustbin and a carry bag. Yeah, you are hearing the right. Dustbin and a carry bag. Do you know that what dustbin play a role in our life? Let's think. What dustbin do? We put all our garbage in the dustbin. We put all the unnecessary, unwanted material items in the dustbin. Those items or material which we do not want, we keep these or those material in the dustbin. Yeah, we all did it, and we all are doing so many years back, and we all are doing further and in future also. It is a part or a habit. We keep on doing this thing. We put unnecessary material in the dustbin. We put unwanted material or any article or items that does not required in our life or does not have any importance. It is waste. We put it in the dustbin. Like as we put all the garbage in the dustbin, likewise, we have to put all our negative thoughts in the dustbin. You take out of your negative thought in the dustbin and you take out your positive thought in the carry bag. See, dustbin is always smaller than the carry bag. We means that now I'm going to relate dustbin and the carry bag with our positive and the negative thoughts. Dustbin full of negative thoughts and the carry bag full of positive thoughts. And see, carry bag is large in size, means that we are taking our positive thoughts with us and we are removing our negative thought in the dustbin. By doing this, we can reach our goal and we want what we and we achieve what we want in our life. Yeah, we can achieve. Be positive. It really works. So today onwards, you also do detoxify your thoughts. You can do this task every day, every hour, every minute, and every second. Just clean up your thoughts. Just wash your thoughts which does not required in our life. See, negative thoughts are the hindrance of our growth. When we put our negative thought in the dustbin or place and throw it off from our life, only then we can reach to our goal. It is the first step towards your growth. So do right now. Our mind play a very important role in our life. Our mind is full of thoughts, and thoughts are of two types, positive and negative. Only positive thought bring you in the next level of your growth. And if you want to success in your life, so carry only positive thought. Today onwards, everyone do this. Keep your positive thought inside and flush it out in the dustbin or anyone. negative thought no one want in our life, so it is the hindrance of our growth. Do it right now. Leave the negative thought and move towards the positive thought. What we can see, what we can feel, what we can eat, it all depend upon our thoughts. So today onwards, change your thoughts. Thank you.